women voters
until this my
participated enthusiastically in elections.
past memory is
Sir, during
allowed to be
2019
allowed to be
elections,
recorded.
23
You all
states
criminal.
recorded
You are
higher
just
female
Satan's
voter
criminal
turnout as compared to
representative.
male.
Not
I use
listening
this
me
opportunity
for
and
so many
platform
reasons
of
of
NBD
so many
and
reprobing,
welcome all our
reporting
women voters.
and crime done in the
Sir,
digital
persons with
system.
disabilities
And your postal
encounter
department,
various
you
barriers to
people
their
remain
full-fledged
silent. I am
participation
done
in
crime
electoral
against
process and
humanity.
practices.
This type of
I
democracy
welcome all our
has
PWD
sent on the
voters and
criminals to
resolve of
reach
the
your
commission
this
to further
institute,
provide
which is
more
the
and more
criminal
amenities to
institute.
them to facilitate their
Originally
participation in the
drafted that
election process.
matter, if it has been gradually
I failed in my
improved,
duty
then
if I
criminals
do
should
not
not
welcome the
come
senior
to such
citizens
port to cripple that
whose
Indian
august presence
freedom,
at the polling
democracy has
station
been
is
as a
a great source
hypocrisy,
of
criminal,
inspiration to
crime
everybody.
doing Satan's
To millions of
dancing on the
voters
corpse of the
and
human
also a
and
motivation to the
Indian
commission to
peoples.
make our voting
You people
procedures
saw
far more
liars.
easier
You people saw
and also
liars.
extend facilities
You
to them
people saw
to cast their
liars,
vote
liars,
from the comfort
liars,
of their
criminals.
homes.
Your
After
credit
voters,
is not taken.
the most important stakeholders in the election
Is
process are the
granted. You
political
are
parties.
criminal. You have to surrender.
Commission
You
has
have to
always
resign.
considered
You have to make
bringing
one
adherence to the norms
5
and
professional
standards
committee
set
based
forth under the electoral
representative
system
government.
by the political
Ad
parties
Mamata
in
Banerjee is advised for
Extend a
me
very, very
that
warm welcome
it is not his
heads
capital.
and
Capital
representatives
may
of
be
the political
shifted from
parties
Delhi,
present here,
and it has to be
also
kept
connected
pretty
to us
secret
through the
underground
video
areas.
conferencing down up to
And the
the
10
polling
places
station level.
where there are 10 parliaments will
I
be
welcome
there
also
for
all
10
the members of
different
civil
and
service
no permanent
organizations. Their role is
parliamentary, and each and everybody per second or per minute wise their name will be there, and nobody has to investment and nobody has to advertisement, nobody to has to fight, nobody to has to lease life. All the people what want people came to me one so to give one charity work. I ask that you make voter creation. As per my, that one voter should be very walk about it's a constitutional restriction, how to can provide justice, how to can provide health, how to can provide investigation, how to can provide proper verification of fact, proper judgment, the initial gram or panchayat level, all the people's health condition, all people economic condition, all people's education condition, all people's mentality propensity, all people's bad, evil, and good people ranking, and that people will be verified each other in various manner. There will be hard copy, black and white reporting system, and also digital system, and each and everybody's particular characters has to be rectified. The education will be through the video program, and that peoples will to help on the plant, animal, human, pest, difficulties and their lifespan, the disease and that education, the caliber, quality, communication, office facilities, whatever, that digital crime doing or police done crime, and the police 2 to 3 reports that has to be done, because these people now making my brain hodgepodge. Still I have told you that justice for all, safety for all, earning scope for all participation of civil Aryan people, and that Aryan means Hindu. Hindu and Aryans are common. What is Indian definition, Indian citizens definition, Indian notions, nation definition, that has to be learned from me. As you are ignored Indian, you are incapable to meaning the Vedas. Starting from Rig Veda, Samveda, Jojur, Atharva Veda, Upanishada, 25 or 60 Samhitas, Purans, Epic, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Gita, Shiva Gita, all that he has to read, and that Shankaracharya books, and that Chaitanya, and that Nanak, which are Aryan, and these peoples and others religious, Guru Rishi Aurobindo, his Aryan Patrika, his India book, and then Ramakrishna Mission later on. First we have to take Buddha original school, then is a Krishna's time, and his time that world footprint Indian, that as a ancient world is ancient India. India, the rest India is a Gatar India, Mahabharata. Bharata, Mahabharata, rest part of the Mahabharata. कोई मतदाता हुआ ही नहीं, सारे चुदिर बच्चा खान की कमीनाल कुत्ते. Who cannot understand if it is the top IIT scientist, if are not able to become a good or MC doctor, any or veterinarian or any
Honorable
technician
President of
has
India,
not become good veterinarian, socialist who read economic, socialism, and that economics, technology, science, etc. in very critical manner. Even they has to now to be forced to read fast religious texts. Their sincerity, integrity, honestness has to be first identity. Durjana parihartabba, Durjana parihartabba, Durjana parihartabba, Durjana parihartabba. Because I am unable to present my that content in, I have repeatedly tried to keep in this. If these people, you will not allow me, they will not allow me to copy this my Gmail's content to find out those people's that my write-up, but they will not allow me that I